And I tell people a lot that my love of art went from canvas to plate, because food is art. It's just, there's more dimensions to it. There's flavor, there's smell, there's all these other things that a painting or a picture can't offer you. So that's kind of where that transition happened. Around my freshman year in high school, I was like, this is something that I'm gonna be successful in, and I love doing it.
When I got out of high school, I got a job, and this lady was opening a restaurant, so I helped her do that. And then I ended up working in the restaurant and loved it, and haven't really turned back since.
My high school instructor also is the one who got me that first real culinary job up in Rhode Island, Johnson and Wales, working at a country club. Okay, and the huge benefit about working at a country club is you get to see almost every aspect of the industry. You get to do banquets, you get to do a la carte cooking, you get to do dinner, lunch, brunch, events, weddings, so it's this wide array of responsibilities, and stepping up to the plate and learning, watching other cooks that were around and chefs that were around, and start taking risks on your own.
Part of ACC Culinary, we have a work-based learning course that all of our students need to take, and we communicate with industry chefs and restaurant owners and so forth, and a lot of those same folks hire our students. And so the work-based learning class and the students and the industry chefs kind of work all together, a symbiotic relationship that really kind of makes it work. We teach them a lot of basic skills, but they don't really become experts until they work in the industry. And that's what's so wonderful about the work-based learning opportunities the students have here.
Just having all of the experience that we get to have, as well as them helping us find jobs to get experience, because like I said, didn't have any experience in this field whatsoever. So it's really helpful that they actually care and they're trying to help you succeed and go somewhere in life.
There's more to this industry. I was responsible for my station at Roy's when I worked, which was the veg station, which, it was the heart of the kitchen. That veg station, we would set up the plates for all the entrees that came from grill, from fish station, right? So if I went down, the entire kitchen went down. And I think that was kind of the catalyst of you have to man up, you have to hold your own, you have to, pull your weight.
In our culinary program, students are going to learn from all of us as instructors, but then when they get out into the industry, their learning will never stop.
I saw it as, wow, it's a lot, and I want to be able to manage it all, right? So that was the first step of me, I can do this, and it's fun, I'm enjoying myself, and I'm giving opportunities to cook and create, and people are responding well to what I'm doing.
It definitely taught me responsibility and caring for your job, that you should take ownership and pride in what you're doing.
You have to pay your dues, essentially, right? So, I always tell people hey, don't see a restaurant chef or a celebrity chef as the ultimate, as the echelon. I've been a restaurant chef, but I couldn't have gotten to where I am now as an R&D chef without that experience. I couldn't have gone from a cook to an R&D chef. There's a ton in the middle that helps me be great at what I do now.
So the students kind of understand this is a life of learning. I frequently tell the students I know this much about food and that there's this much more to learn. And so we really encourage all of our students to just continue to learn, to work at different places, and just to maybe when you're 90 years old, you can call yourself a chef.